Pets regard tutor and classmate. Today, I will explain the mental map. The first topic is the evolution of wildlife, where we find that due to climate change, the biodiversity of wildlife could be extinguished. In addition, the consequences of this problem would be many, such as fires in wild areas, conflict between wildlife and humans, among others. It should be noted that if we all work to improve these ecosystems, such mangrove forests and savannas can be restored. Wildlife trafficking in Colombia offers many business opportunities since these natural resources are highly sought after war, clearly with a focus on conserving the species acquired as power for zootechnical production, where the most important thing for this production is the establishment of breeding farms. Breeding farms in the Amazon allows that through the forestry and wildlife law, some species considered as subsistence food for rural inhabitants of the Amazon can be commercialized. It should be noted that Brazil has more than 30 breeding farms and is promoting more, since its production is aimed at generating vast meat to satisfy the growing demand of gastronomic industry. Finally, animal breeding in Colombia has traditionally focused on programs for the production of stifles and alligators, and on a smaller scale on iguanas, boas, and other species such as beetles, butterflies, frogs, tropical fish, ants, poisonous snake. Thank you for your time.